Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Southern Regional Health Authority, SERHA, say all of them 5 public hospitals in the region gone back to normal service cause COVID-19 case a go down. The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, say them a worry about the government plan for start back full face-to-face class when the country COVID-19 positivity rate still high. One-time radio talk show host Winston Babatunde with a dead. The Jamaican national senior women football team are going to play against Bermuda in a them opening match at the CONCACAF World Cup qualifier today. Now for the full tour of them. The Southern Regional Health Authority, SERHA, say all of them 5 public hospitals in the region gone back to normal service cause COVID-19 case are go down. The outside clinic at the Mandeville Regional Hospital move back in at the hospital, and them say the amount of people who sick in a bed gone down and most of them staff they back at work. According to Michael Bent, or the technical director for SERHA, only 12 out of them 274 workers still there them yard sick. Plus, him say only 38 somebody sick with the virus across the 5 hospitals them in the region. The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, said them a worry about the government plan for start back face-to-face class when the country COVID-19 positivity rate still high. Last week, Prime Minister Andrew Holness tell the House of Representatives so school are going fully open back after the midterm break next month. But Winston Smith, or the JTA president, said this are going put the teacher and student them at one higher risk for catch the virus. Mr. Smith said enough classroom are going to have 30 to 40 students and the room them well small and more space need for them in the primary school them for all the picnic them. One-time radio talk show host Winston Babatunde with a dead. Him did a 62 years old. With a dead yesterday at the University Hospital for the West Indies where him did get admit Sunday. People rushed him go hospital after them find him now move or talk him yard. Babatunde did a one top radio man who did a talk on KLAS radio for enough years. Him did sick with him liver. 11 man get locked up after police and soldier do some operation in a Yala St. Thomas yesterday morning. The police of them did a look for wanted man and gun where people now have no license for. According to Deputy Superintendent O'Neill Thompson, who run the St. Thomas Police Division, them are looking at the 11 man them. The police of them not find none of the man them or them are look for, but them still are going to stay in the Yalas area. On top of that, Superintendent Thompson say him a tell the bad man them say anywhere them there, the police are gonna find them. The St. and police lock up 4 smaddy. One of them a one woman after them find one gun with them now have no license for. According to the police, them did a look for wanted man and gun with people now have no license for in a Liberty Valley, Brownstown. Them search one house and find one Smith & Wesson Springfield 9mm pistol with have 9 bullets hide in a one city. The 4 somebody who did in the house get locked up. Now for sports. The Jamaican national senior women football team are going to play against Bermuda in a them opening match at the CONCACAF World Cup qualifier at the National Stadium today. The government get the JDF the go-ahead for 2,500 fully vaccinated fans come at the stadium, come watch the match. Vin Blaine, or the coach, said the players are ready for play and win the match. People, remember the curfew from 11 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.